If you're experiencing login errors on your Capital One account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. If you are using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection or resetting your router. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Update your browser or app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser or the Capital One mobile app. If not, update to the latest version and try logging in once more. If you continue to experience issues after following these steps, consider contacting Capital One customer support for further assistance.